This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 110 or 120 volt power outlet. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance settings and features, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller as well as your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving down, or moving to the right actually, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this cubby here above the glove box. Moving down from your climate controls, you have this cubby here with a USB and USB-C. Then moving on to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then onto your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and a large cubby here, as well as your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.